Hello students, welcome to my class. So today we are going to start from exercise 6D. Okay, so exercise 6D. So so this exercise is about subtraction with borrowing. So I am going to write here the first question, that is subtract. So we'll do subtract here. So the first question is what? 1a. So what we have to do? We have to subtract 7 from 91. We have to subtract 1a. We have to subtract 7. We have to subtract 7 from 91. So this is the what? This is the ones place and this is the tens place. So as 7 is greater than 1, so we cannot subtract 7 from 1. What we have to do? We have to carry 1 from the tens place, that is from 9. Okay. So if we carry 1 from there, here we will get 11. Here we will get 11. So 11 minus 7 equals to what? 11 minus 7 equals to 4. So as we have taken 1 from tens place, so here the digit will be what? 8. Okay. So we have to write 8 here in 10 place as nothing is there. Okay. So only one digit is there in tens place, that is 8. So we have to write here 8. So the answer will be 84. So now moving towards the next question, that is G. G. Okay. 711 minus 414. So like earlier, this is the ones place, this is the tens place, and this is the hundred place. So here you can see in ones place 2 digits are there, that is 1 and 4. So we cannot subtract this 1 from, so we cannot subtract this 4 from 1. We have to carry 1 from tens place. So if we carry 1, so here will be what? Here will be 11. Now easily we can subtract 11 minus 4 equals to 7. 11 minus 4 equals to 7. Now as we have taken ones from the tens place, as we have taken 1 from the tens place, so here instead of 1 we have to write what? 0. Okay. So again we cannot subtract 1 from 0. So what we have to do? We have to carry 1 from which place? 100 place. So now if we carry 1 from 100 place, then here will be what? Here will be 10. So now easily we can subtract 10 minus 1 equals to what? 10 minus 1 equals to 9. Okay. So now moving towards the 100 place. Okay. So in 100 place, which digit is there? 100 place, instead of 7 we have to write 6. Why? Because as earlier we have taken 1 from which place? 100 place. So here will be what? 6. 6 minus 4 equals to 2. 6 minus 4 equals to what? 2. So the answer is 2, 9. The answer is 297. Now 4. Okay, question number 4. Do this sum in your notebook. Okay, so only one question we are going to solve here from 4, that is 8102 minus 6204. So what we have to do? At first we have to arrange this one. Okay. So as you can see, both the number are 4-digit numbers. So there is no problem to arrange this. 8102 6204. what do you have to do? The first things, so as it is known to us all this, this is the ones place. So in one place 2 and 4, 2 digits are there, so we cannot subtract 4 from 2. What do you have to do? You have to carry 1. But how will you carry? Because here you see in tens place 0 is there, we cannot carry from there. So we can carry 1 from which place? From 100 place. So if we carry 1 from there, then there will be what? 10. And again we have to carry 1 from there, then there will be what? 12. So what do we have to do? Instead of 2, here we will get what? 12. So 12 minus 4 equals to what? 12 minus 4 equals to 8. 12 minus 4 equals to 8. Now here you can see. So here, as we have taken 1 from there now, so instead of 10, here we will get what? 9. So 9 minus 0 equal to what? 9 minus 0 equal to 9. 9 minus 0 equals to 9. So here what? Here we will get what? Instead of 1, we will get what? 0. Instead of 1, we will get what? We will get 0. Again, we cannot subtract 2 from 0. So what we have to do? We have to carry 1. So if we carry 1 from them, then here I will get what? Here I will get 10. So 10 minus 2 equals to 10 minus 2 equals to what? 10 minus 2 equal to what? 8. Okay. So here 8 or 7. Here we will get what? Here we will get 7. So 7 minus 6 equal to 1. So the answer is 1, 8, 9, 8. The answer is 1, 8, 9, 8. The answer is 1, 8, 9, 8. So now moving towards the next exercise, that is exercise 6E. Now we are going to start a new exercise, that is exercise 6E. So from 6E we will solve only 3 questions. Okay. So the first question is do this sum in your notebook. Okay. The first question is 1A. So here we will find 46 plus 32 minus 17. So what do we have to do in this case? In this case, as it is known to us all, first of all we have to add, then we have to subtract. Okay. So these two numbers, at first we have to add 46 and 32. As this number is, we have to subtract this number later. Why? Because before this 17 we get a minus sign. So that is why we have to do at last. This part we have to do at last. First of all we have to get the result of addition. Okay. So here 46. You can write here 1 or so you write here, this is the first, okay, first part. Okay. So 46 plus what? Plus 32. So we have to add these two numbers. So like earlier, this is ones, this is tens. Okay. So 6 plus 2 equals to what? 8. 4 plus 3 equal to what? 7. So the answer is here we got what? After adding this two number, we got what? We got 78. Now what we have to do? The second part, what we have to do? We have to subtract this 17 from this 78. Okay. So here we have to write 78. Then what? Minus 17. So 8 minus 7 equals to what? 8 minus 7 equal to, this is the ones, this is the tens. 8 minus 7 equal to 1, 7 minus 1 equal to 6. Here the answer is what? The answer is 61. Okay. The answer is 61, not 78. The answer is 61. Here you see three numbers are there, 46, 32 and 78. So first of all, these two are add. What? These two numbers are what? Add. So we have to add these two numbers. After getting the result of these two numbers, we have to subtract 17 from the result of these two numbers. Okay. So here this question is finished. Now moving towards the next question. To F 146 minus 267 plus 735. Okay, so here you see, as so first of all we have to add. Okay, so here before 146 there is no sign. Okay, plus minus nothing is there, that means this is what, this is what, plus. Okay, so again you can see here what, before 735 one plus sign is there, that means this is plus. So these two number we have to add at first, and from the result of these two number we have to subtract 267. So before 267 minus sign is given here, so at last we have to subtract this number from the result of these two numbers. So what we have to write? So first of all we are going to write, suppose this is the first part, 146. Okay, 735. So we have to add this two number. After getting the result of this two number we have to subtract 267. Okay, so 6 plus 5 equal to what? 11. So 1 in my hand, here 1 will come here. So 4 plus 3, 7 plus 1 what? 8. So now 7 plus 1 equal to 8. So we got what? After adding these two number we have got 881. So from that number we have to subtract 267. Okay, so 8. Now moving towards the second part, here 881 will come. Okay, 881. So from this number we have to subtract 267, as there is a minus sign before 267. Okay, so now can we subtract 7 from 1? No, definitely cannot. So we have to carry 1 from there. So whenever we'll carry 1 from there, we'll get here what? We'll get here, instead of 1 we'll get here 11. So now easily we can subtract 11 minus 7 equals to what? 4. So here instead of 8 we'll get what? Instead of 8 we'll get 7. So 7 minus 6 equals to what? 7 minus 6 equal to 1. So here what? Here 8 minus 2 equal to 6. So the answer is 614. The answer is 614. The answer is 614. Okay. So here the question is finished. Now moving towards the next question. That is 3e 4352 plus 45 minus 2967. So what we have to do? First of all we have to add these two numbers. So after getting the result we have to subtract 2967. Okay, so what we have to do? At first let us add these two number. So here you can see the one number is of 4 digit and the other will be of 2 digit. So here we will write first part. Okay, 4352 plus what? Plus 45. So here you can see here this is a 4 digit number and this is a 2 digit number. So maybe sometime we may confuse. Okay, so let's start from the right side. Okay, so here 5 will comes in 1's place and 4 will comes in 10's place. So we have to add this two number. Okay, so 5 plus 2 equals to what? 7. Again 5 plus 4 equals to what? 9. Next in 100 place you can see what? There is no other digit than 3. Okay, only 3. In 100 place what? Only one digit is there, that is 3. So easily we can write here 3 and then again here only one digit, that is 4. So here we will get what? 4397. 4397. So from this number we have to subtract 2967. So you write here second part, that is 4397 minus 2967. So 7 minus 7 equals to what? 7 minus 7 equals to what? 0. 9 minus 6 equal to what? 3. Then again what? Here you see 3 minus, so can we subtract 9 from 3? We cannot, we have to carry 1 like earlier. So if we carry 1, then here we will get what? 13. 13 minus 9 equals to what? 4. Here instead of 4 we will get what? 3. So 3 minus 2 equals to 1. So we have got 1430. So the answer is 1430. Now Here this exercise is also finished. Now we are going to start a new exercise, that is 6F. Question number 1. So I am not going to write down the question as it is there in the book. Okay, so let me read the question. So at a dog show there were 35 Alsatians. The number of pugs were 18 less. How many pugs were there at the show? We have to find out the number of pugs. Okay, so the number of pugs were 18 less. Okay, so what we have to do? If 18 less, then we have to subtract 18 from the number of Alsatians, that is from 35. Okay, so here we will write what? 35 minus 18. Okay, so this is the ones place and this is the tens place. Okay, so we cannot subtract 8 from 5. In this case we have to carry 1. So if we carry 1, then we will get here what? 15. 15 minus 8 equals to what? 15 minus 8 equals to 7. Here we will get what? 2. In tens place we will get 2. So 2 minus 1 equals to 1. So the answer is what? 17. So the number of were 17. Okay, so here this question is also finished. Now moving towards the next question. That is 2. So we have to here let me read the second question. Liza's grandfather is 61 years old. Her aunt is, that means her grandfather is 61 years old and her aunt is 28 years younger than him. How old is her aunt? We have to find out the age of her aunt. So her aunt is 28 years younger than his grandfather. So easily we can get by subtracting. Okay, so we can write here 61. Okay, minus 28. Okay, so here you see, like earlier, ones, tens. So we cannot subtract 8 from 1, so we have to carry. If we carry 1 from tens place, then here we will get what? Instead of 1 we will get 11. 11 minus 8 equals to what? 3. Okay, so here is what? 5, as we have taken 1 from there earlier. So here the number, the digit is what? 5. 5 minus 2 equals to what? 3. So we got what? We got 33. So her aunt is 33 years old. So now moving towards the next question. Question number 3. So the question, let me read down. Let me read. Okay. Mr. Barua ordered 925 cups of ice cream for his party. At the end of the party, 189 cups were left. So how many cups of ice cream did the guest have? So what we have to find out? We have to find out how many cups of ice cream the guest have. Okay. So the total numbers of cups were 925. At the end of the party, 189 cups remain. So we have to find out the number of cups the guest have taken. So what we have to do? If we subtract, then we will get the result. So here is what? 9 to 5. Okay, 9 to 5. Then here what? 189. So if we subtract, you will get the result. So easily we can subtract here. So you see, 5 is there. We cannot subtract 5 from. We cannot subtract 9 from 5. So we have to carry 1. We have to carry 1 to 10 ones place. So 15 minus 9 equals to what? 6. 15 minus 9 equals to 6. So here in tens place, the digit which is there is 1. The digit which is there is what? 1. Okay, so we cannot subtract 8 from 1, so we have to carry 1 from which place? 100 place. So if we carry 1 from 100 place, then I will get what? 11. So 11 minus 8 equals to what? 3. So here in 100 place the digit is 8 instead of 9. As earlier we have taken 1s from 100 place. So here is what? 8. So 8 minus 1 equals to what? 8 minus 1 equals to 7. So therefore the guest have 736 cups of ice cream. Here this question is over. Now coming to question number 4. So the question number 4 is a poultry farm sold 5392x in a week. That means in a week a farm sold 5392x. So it sold 1587 less x the next week. That means what? The next week it sold 1587 egg less than the previous week. So we have to find out the total number of egg it sell in the second week. So what we have to do? After subtracting, we'll get the result. So here you see first one, in first week it sold 5392x. Okay, and the second week it sold 1587 less egg as compared to the first week. So after subtracting, we will get the result. Okay, so here you see we cannot subtract 7 from 2. We have to carry 1 from there. Carry 1 from which place? 1s, 10s, 100, 1000. Carry 1 from 10th place. So if we carry 1 from 10th place, we will get here 12. So 12 minus 7 equals to what? 5. Here what? Here as we have taken 1 from 10th place earlier, so here the digit which is there is, here the digit is 8. So 8 minus 8 equals to what? 0. 8 minus 8 equal to 0. Here you see, here we will get what? 3. So we cannot subtract 5 from 3. What we have to do? Again we have to carry 1 from which place? 1000 place. So if we carry 1 from 1000 place, then there will be what? 13. So 13 minus 5 equals to what? 8. 13 minus 5 equals to 8. Here the digit is 4. So 4 minus 1 equals to 3. So 3805. So that means what? 3805x. It in the second week. So here this exercise is finished. So now you are going to start a new exercise, that is 6G. So question number 1 and 2 are solved. Okay, so we have to start from question number 3. So the first question is, wildlife park in India had 370 elephants. So the first things we have to keep in mind is the total number of elephant is what? 370. Okay, so 25 of them were sent to Nepal. That means 25 of from this 370 elephant, 25 were sent to Nepal. Okay, and the next you see, and 7 were sent to Bangladesh. So whatever remain after sending 25 of them to Nepal, from that another 7 were sent to Bangladesh. So we have to find out the number of elephant left in the park. So what we have to do? We can write like this: 370. Okay, minus 25 minus what? 7. So first of all, what do you have to do? Suppose this is the first part. 370 minus 2 5. Okay, so here you can see in ones place the digit is 0, so we cannot subtract. We have to carry 1 from which place? Tens place. So if we carry 1 from there tens place, so we will get here what? 10. 10 minus 5 equals to what? 5. Okay, so here the digit is what? 6. 6 minus 2 equals to what? Instead of 7, here we will get what? 6. 6 minus 2 equals to what? 4. Here what? 3, as nothing is there. Okay, so simply we can write here what? 3. So what? How many get? So after sending 25 elephant to Nepal, we got what? 3, 4, 5. So from this 3, 4, 5, again we have to subtract 7. Okay, so here you can write second 3, 4, 5 minus 7. Okay, so here you see this is what? 7. So we cannot subtract 7 from 5, we have to carry 1. So if we carry 1, then we will get what? Instead of 5, we will get what? We will get 15. So 15 minus 7 equals to what? 8. So here the digit is what? Here the digit is what? 3 instead of 4, as we have taken 1 from there. Okay, so here we will write what? 3. We can write here 0. 3 minus 0 equals to 3. Here also we can write 0. 3 minus 0 equals to what? 3. So the number of elephant left in the park is 338. So now this question is finished. Now moving towards the next question. This question number 4. You see, let me read the question. On 1st May, there were 1275 tourists in Mumbai. So the total number of tourists were 1275. Okay. So on 2nd May, 983 more tourists came in. Okay. So on 2nd May, on 1st 1275 tourists were there. On 2nd May, 983 more tourists came in. That means 1275 plus 983. Okay. And 1163 left for Goa. On the same day, 1163 tourists left for Goa. That means 1275 plus 983 minus 1163. 1275. This is the total number of tourists present on 1st May. 2nd May plus on 2nd May 983 more came in. Okay, and on the same day again 1163 left for Goa. So now we have to solve it. So first part 1275 3 8 9. So 5 plus 3 equals to what? 8. 7 plus in ones place we will get 5 and 3. So the result of 5 and 3 is what? 8. And then again in tens place we will get 7 and 8. 8 plus 7 equals to what? 15. We will write 5 here, 1 will be there in 100 place. So 9 plus 2 what? 11 plus 1 12. We will write here 2. Again what? 1 will be there in 1000 place. So 1 plus 1 equals to what? 2. We will get what? 2258. So from this number we have to subtract 1163. So here in second part you write what? Second 2258 minus 1163. So after subtracting this number we will get the result. So 8 minus 3 equals to what? 5. In ones place we will get what? 5. Next instance place. So we cannot subtract 6 from 5. So what do we have to do? We have to carry 1. From which place? From 100 place. So if we carry 1 from 100 place, we will get here 15. So 15 minus 6 equals to what? 9. So here what? The digit which is remain is 1. So 1 minus 1 equals to what? 0. Here again you see here in 1000 place the digit is what? 2. So 2 minus 1 equals to 1. So the answer is 1095. So therefore we can write 1095 tourist were They are in Mumbai on 2nd May. So here this question is also finished. Five now. Do this sum in your notebook. From 5 we solve only 2 questions, that is A and C. So let's read the question. Anil had 5 question number A. Anil had 64 color pencils. He lost 35 of them. That means what? The total number of color pencil he had is 64. Simply you can say the total number of color pencil is 64. From that 64 he has lost 35 pencil. That means 64 minus 35. Then his mother bought him a box of 24 color pencil. Again 24 new came. So 64 minus 35. 64 minus 35 plus 24. So now we have to find out how many color pencil does he have now. At present how many color pencil he has, that we have to find out. Okay. So we can write like this. 64. So from 64, 35 he lost. Okay, minus 35. Then again her mother bought 25 color pencil for him. So plus 24. So here is the first part. So what, as I told you earlier, that at first we have to add, then we have to subtract. Okay. So here 64 and 24, these two number we have to add. Okay, 64 plus 24. So 4 plus 4 equals to what? So here in ones place 2 digits are there, that is 4 and 4. 4 plus 4 equals to what? 8. In tens place again another 2 digits are there, 6 and 2, that is what? 6 plus 2 equals to 8. So we got 88 here. Okay. So from this number we have to subtract 35. So here you write the second part. 8 minus 35. So this is the ones place and this is the tens place. So what we have to do? First of all we have to subtract 5 from 8. So 8 minus 5 equals to what? 3. Here again you see in tens place 8 is there. So 8 minus 3 equal to what? 5. So that means what? 53. That means he has 53 color pencil. Okay. So the answer is what? 53. Okay. So easily you can do like this. The next question. So here the question is, this question is finished. Question number C. So this is the last question for today's class. See, there are 9,946 people in a town. That means the total number of people are 9946. 9946. So this is the total number of people. Okay. So if 4456 are men, so from this number 4457 are men and 3962 are women. So we have to find out the number of children. Men and women, the number of men and women are given here, but children not given. So we have to find it out. Okay. So 9946 minus 4457. Again, whatever we will get from that number, again we have to subtract 3962. As this is the number of men, this is the number of women. So if we subtract these two number from this number one by one, then we will get the total number of children. Okay. So the first part we are going to do here. 9946 minus 4457. So this is the ones place, this is the tens, this is the hundred, and this is the thousand. So what we have to do, first of all we have to subtract 7 from 6, so which we cannot. Okay, so we have to carry 1 from there. If we carry 1 from 10 place, we will get here 16. So 16 minus 7 equals to what? 9. 16 minus 7 equal to what? 9. Here instead of 4 we will get what? We will get what? 3. So we cannot subtract 5 from 3. We have to carry 1 from 100 place. If we carry 1, we will get here what? 13. So 13 minus 5 equals to what? 13 minus 5 equals to 8. 8. So here instead of 9 we will get what? We will get 8. 8 minus 4 equals to, instead of 9 we will get what? We will get 8. So 8 minus 4 equals to what? 4. So here we will get what? 9. 9 minus 4 equal to 5. 5 4 8 9. Now the number of population, if we leave the number of men, we will get the total number of girls, total number of women and children are 5489. So from this 5489 again we have to subtract 3962. Here we write the second part. 5489 3962. Okay. So like earlier, this is the ones, this is the tens, this is the hundred, and this is the thousand place. So easily we can subtract. 9 minus 2 equals to what? 7. In ones place we will get what? 7. In tens place, so tens place easily we can subtract. If we subtract 6 from 8, we will get what? We will get 2. So now here 4. So here is the problem. We cannot subtract 9 from 4. So what we have to do? We have to carry 1 from which place? 1000 place. So if 1000 place, that is 5. So if we carry 1 from there, we will get here what? We will get 14. So 14 minus 9 equals to what? 5. 14 minus 9 equals to what? 5. So here what? The digit is 4. So easily we can subtract. If we subtract 3 from 4, we will get what? 1. So that means the total number of children, are 1527. So today up to this much. In my next class we are going to start multiplication. So before starting the next class, I would like to request you all to revise the multiplication table at least up to 15. If you do not revise, if you do not memorize the multiplication table, then you won't be able to do multiplication and division. So that is why once again I request you all to revise the table properly. Thanks.